Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting and informative topic for you. We'll be discussing 17 ways to build genuine sexual attraction with women. If you're looking to enhance your dating life or simply want to understand the dynamics of attraction better, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Alright, let's get started. 1. The power of genuine attraction. Understanding how to build genuine sexual attraction is like unlocking a superpower in your dating life. It's about connecting on a deep level and creating that magnetic pull that keeps both you and your partner excited. Let's jump into our first tip. 2. Confidence is key. Confidence is irresistibly attractive. We'll explore how self-assuredness can make a world of difference in how women perceive you. 3. Be a great conversationalist. Good communication skills are essential. We'll delve into the art of engaging conversations that leave a lasting impression. 4. Showcase your passion. Passion is contagious. We'll discuss how sharing your interests and enthusiasm can spark attraction. 5. Develop a sense of humor. Laughter is a universal language of attraction. We'll explore how a good sense of humor can break the ice and foster a connection. 6. Active listening. Listening is just as important as talking. We'll discuss the power of active listening in building rapport. 7. Make her feel special. Small gestures can go a long way. We'll talk about how making a woman feel special can create a strong emotional bond. 8. Maintain mystery. Mystery can be incredibly intriguing. We'll explore how leaving a little to the imagination can pique curiosity. 9. Build emotional intimacy. Emotional connection is a cornerstone of attraction. We'll discuss how opening up and sharing feelings can build genuine closeness. 10. Show respect. Respect is non-negotiable. We'll talk about how treating a woman with respect is not only the right thing to do but also attractive. 11. Be supportive. Being supportive shows you care. We'll explore how being there for a woman can create a strong bond. 12. Practice empathy. Empathy is a key to understanding. We'll discuss how putting yourself in her shoes can enhance your connection. 13. Take care of yourself. Self-care is attractive. We'll talk about how looking after your physical and mental well-being can make you more appealing. 14. Be adventurous. Adventure can be exhilarating. We'll explore how trying new things together can build excitement and attraction. 15. Confidence in your appearance. Feeling good about your appearance boosts confidence. We'll discuss how personal grooming and style play a role. 16. Give compliments sincerely. Sincere compliments can make someone's day. We'll talk about the art of giving compliments that feel genuine. 17. Respect boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries is vital. We'll discuss the importance of consent and respecting a woman's choices. There you have it, our 17 ways to build genuine sexual attraction with women. Remember, attraction is not about manipulation, It's about creating a real and honest connection.